A young writer discovers a mysterious pen that brings everything they write to life. This story could explore the consequences and adventures that arise from the magical pen's abilities. Imagine a library with books that can transport readers to different time periods. The story could follow a group of friends who accidentally travel to various historical eras and learn about history firsthand. A young girl stumbles into an enchanted forest and befriends mythical creatures like fairies, elves, and talking animals. Explore themes of friendship, nature, and magic. A shy child discovers a hidden, overgrown garden on their family's estate. Through the garden's transformation, the child learns valuable life lessons about growth, renewal, and the power of nature. Join a team of astronauts on a space exploration mission, facing challenges and discoveries as they venture into the unknown depths of our universe. In a whimsical forest, animals gather to discuss and solve problems that affect their community. Each animal represents a unique perspective, fostering lessons in teamwork and understanding. A young artist receives a magical paintbrush that brings their paintings to life. This story can explore creativity, imagination, and the responsibility that comes with such power. I will be uploading all the stories in a series on my YouTube channel, one by one, in detail. So please subscribe to my channel to watch all the stories.